All right, so now we have a geometry problem, okay? The Lincoln Memorial reflecting pool is approximately rectangular. Approximately rectangular, what does that mean? Well, if you look at the pool over here, it's not exactly a perfect rectangle, so we just say it's approximately rectangular. You can kind of, it's a little, and that's not the best drawing, but you can see it kind of spreads out a little bit, so that's why we say approximately rectangular. Its width is 50 and 9 tenths of meters, and its length is 618 and 44 meters. You walk the perimeter of the pool, about how many meters do you walk? Okay, so what the problem wants to know is if I walk around this whole pool, how far did I walk? All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is draw a model. All right, I'm going to draw a rectangle. All right, and then I'm going to add my dimensions. So 50 and 9 tenths meters is my width. So it'd be this side and that side. And 618 and 44 hundredths is my length, and that's going to be the longer side. All right, so I draw my model. All right, now the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Like I said, it's the space around the shape. So I need to add all the sides. All right, and so if I add all the sides, I would get, and so 4 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 4, 8, 17, 26, 2, 10, 18, drops down, 1, 2, 3, 8, 13, 1, 7, 13. All right, so I get 1,338 and 68 hundredths meters. All right, now the question says about how many meters, so I'm going to round that up to 1,339 meters. All right, because it says about how many meters do you walk. And remember, this is approximately a rectangular, so the formula is not going to be quite, we're just, it's approximate. All right, and maybe a little bit more because you have that little extra space over here, and a little bit less space up there. All right. Go ahead and do the on your own section and click on the video to go to the answer.